sleeping. Oh. Are you tired, Mom? Did you sleep? Current situation, yeah, I'm at the hospital again.
Somebody told me that they see my YouTube.
Who told you that?
Somebody told me and I do and the kids are in the mall. Why everything up with my YouTube?
Who told you they seen you on YouTube?
Who told me?
Whose people?
Don't call it. Everything up with my YouTube. You have to put this on YouTube too.
Yes, it's for my YouTube channel. It's a job. Mom, who told you? I want to know who told you.
Stop doing that.
What?
You can't put everything on. Because the first thing people look at, you can do the job. Not that they look at you.
But there's nothing negative on it. There's nothing bad that would prevent me from getting a job.
So we have to put here, you want.
Because we were at the mall.
So the world will like to know what's
We were at the mall. There was the funeral. What else is there?
Show me the funeral.
Yes, honey. You modeled that hospital gown, girl. Yes, you modeled that. Guys, Mom's gone to work. I am going to go to Yorkdale to get something to eat before I head home. And yeah. So tired, yo. I'm going back home to go sleep before I clean up and get ready for the long weekend. It's Caribana weekend. Although I'm not going, I do not support Caribana. I'm gonna tell them something. I'm not a soca fan. You understand? Reggae and dancehall to my thing. Hey!
And everything she puts on YouTube. You know, then that's not good. The personal stuff is on YouTube. Everything, everybody knows. Like, everybody knows what it's on YouTube.
Like, what the heck?
Nonsense.
She doesn't understand, Tasia, that it's a job. I told her, wait till you start putting her on, and then she'll understand. Huh?
Sticky?
Yeah, I don't know what fell on it.
Stuff is alright?
I don't know, I guess.
Nobody break it.
Not yet. Hey, guys. It's beautiful Saturday. It's Caribana Saturday. It's Caribana Saturday. Yeah, not yet, Mom. It didn't go on yet. No? Oh, it's the same. So, yeah, we're at the mall again. Because I need an outfit. I need an outfit to go out tonight. Oh my god. Everybody's going down the road. I ain't going down the road. I'm going to the mall.
Did you hear from?
No. I'm going to the mall because, yeah, like I said, I need an outfit to wear later on. And all these things. So we're going back to Dufferin Mall. And yeah. What do you mean? There is a washroom. Oh, true. Yeah. Hopefully there's a bathroom this time. Hopefully. But yeah, that's currently what we're doing. Yay! Oh, I'm repping Jamaica today, but all day, every day. Oh my gosh, happy Emancipation Day, Jamaica! Mommy, it's Emancipation Day. Emancipation. Are you not Jamaican? Oh, anyways, it's Emancipation Day in Jamaica. Yeah. Big up Jamaica. What is it, Jamaica?
When they separate from the Queen?
Yeah, wait. Independence is going to be what? 50 what this year? Jamaica 50 was, it's not 62. Jamaica 50 was just a couple years ago. I think it's 53. Is it 53 now? Is it 53? 53 or 52 now? But yeah, that's currently what we're doing.
Wasn't that your field? Yeah, it was your field at the store. Oh, the pretty one you buy. Oh yeah, the blue one. But these you buy from there.
So yeah, we're just walking to the mall now. And yeah. That's the gang. That's the gang. My mom doesn't want to be on YouTube anymore, guys, because people are calling her, telling her that they're seeing her on YouTube. So she feels like she's a little famous or a little celebrity now. She wants to act brand new, like she's scared to be on the internet. I did put it on YouTube when I was at the hospital. Okay, you have a cyst burst and tell me who acts like a baby. You, when you do a little thing to your teeth, you can't come out of your bed. She be like, Zoe, I need something on my mouth. My mouth is hurting me, Zoe. Anyways, I'm not gonna waste my battery life because I don't have my charger. Yeah, and I haven't picked it up yet. So, look more. Oh, I'm tired. I'm so tired. I swear this is the last I'm coming back to any malls. I'm not doing this again. I'm tired. I want a red cup. I'm so tired. All the, like, see this? I'm holding like everybody's stuff and I'm tired. And maybe I don't want me to sit on this and walk up and down, like, so we don't have anything to do. Finally leaving the mall. What are we doing? Are we taking the bus?
No, I'm not.
So did you call the cab already?
No.
Are you going to the beer store? Anyway, so we're going to Mom's now. I'm going to make s'mores.
You guys don't want to go to Caribana?
And yeah, some hot dogs, some burgers if she has any, and then yeah. And then later I go out, shake my bum bum, shake your bum bum, shake your bum bum. Yeah, my feet are hurt me, you know. Me not tell no lie, my feet are hurt me. Tisha, you tired?
Huh?
You tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, draining it.
It's the heat.
We were inside.
Or maybe it's the food. It's such junk food. All that oil. Just in my stomach. Swimming.
And that gravy and that cheese. Yes, auntie.
I finished it.
You're crazy. I could never not finish a poutine. Oh my god. Yeah. Everybody's turning up because it's Caribana weekend. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. Sorry.
And drinks, right?
Oh, OVO Fest.
That's today? Or October?
No, it's in the summer.
Oh, he changed it.
It was never in October. Thank you. Thanks. It was never in October. It was always in the summer. Alright, yeah, but when we get to Mom's, holla back at you guys. Bye. So we got our s'mores. We have our skewers. We're gonna make our s'mores. And we have some leftover. Burgers. They have four digga burger. I'm gonna have one volipa at Zang. Huh?
You have to defrost the bread.
Yeah, me know. And I don't even think there's any hamburger.
New barbecue fries?
Oh my god. Shia, hold this for a second.
This is about the same thing.
Skewers. Barbecue fries. Oh, may the good Lord bless you.
If you can deep fry chocolate.
You can buy hamburger buns at the dollar store.
We're starting right now?
Yeah,
Right now?
why not right now?
Okay, I'm ready.
We're not doing anything. Are you doing something?
No.
Exactly. So,
Cause we're ready for the summer. Can you put away my purse too?
is that your glasses?
No, this. It's so hot outside. Y'all wish I can sing. Teacher, say hello. Say something to the camera. I hope you know I caught that.
Oh, duh. You caught it too, like always.
It's going on YouTube. Ew, Teacher, close your armpits, Teacher.
Does my armpit stink?
This is going on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Zoe, make sure you put that on, okay?
No.
Teacher's nastiness, weirdness.
My armpits.
And
I just need a lighter.
can we use 2 sticks? I'm really good at the wilderness. I lit a fire when we were in camp. Not camp.
A lighter.
Who's talking about camp?
See if Nat has a lighter. Please, or some matches.
I lit it.
Oh, this is like mine, yeah. Did you zoom in or something?
No,
Oh.
it was like that. Oh, let me show them my whip. Wait, and then how does it go?
Now watch me whip. Now watch me nanny.
I want to do that. You know the song I keep singing?
Oh my god, the sun is in my face. Sorry, Jen.
Well, I can't do it now. My feet hurt. But anyways, you know the song I was talking about? And I was like, please do this and please watch us because I'll be
Okay. Oh, my eye burns. Okay. How do you stop this? How do you stop this record? Oh.
I'm coming.
I asked for help. How do you stop this?
Oh,
Excuse me.
it fell? Okay, I'll watch you do yours. Oh, it's already burned.
This is why I said we needed a lighter, because the fire is not high enough. Like,
Buy a lighter?
I don't know what it is that they're doing. Like, alright, it's roasting. Yes, girl, that's what I want.
It's on fire. Really? You brought your popcorn? We're supposed to be roasting here. We're supposed to be roasting.
I am roasting.
Yeah.
And I'm wearing black too. You made it already? Yes, Tasia.
We're waiting on you and well, we
Am I
weren't.
supposed to be recording?
No, you're supposed to be doing your own stuff.
Oh my gosh. Alright, Shaka. Marshmallows roasting on an open fire.
Can I do it with one hand?
Yeah. Just make sure when it starts to burn, you can thing it. Yeah. I'll be back. I gotta get another graham cracker. You guys seeing this? Oh.
There's no fire left in here. Yeah, there is. Want me to do it for you? Right there. Let it get on fire. What kind of chocolate is it?
Milk.
Is there nuts in there?
No.
Alright.
Guys, she doesn't like smart.
Is it none?
Yeah?
Oh, so all this time it's seen me doing
All the time.
Nah.
So good. Cheers. Look at this craving one. Done already. It was good, eh? You got another one? Yeah?
Get off mine. I need some water.
You need water?
I eat chocolate with water.
What the?
What?
Yeah.
Dripping? Seriously, Kajana? I don't want it to fall on the floor. Don't touch my hand. Ew, Kajana, you look so gross. Ew, you savage beast. Oh, do you need the hot dog buns?
All right. Why don't you dye your hair? That was fast.
The burgers? I mean the hamburgers? I
Yeah.
mean the hot dogs?
The burgers.
The
I mean
hamburgers?
the hot dogs.
So anyways, people, yeah, this is currently what we're doing right now. Barbecue. You know? We're hungry. Not really hungry, but it's summertime. It's a nice day. Why not? But the food is just going to stay in my mom's fridge, so I was going to choose it.
You should record out here one time.
Huh?
It's nice lighting out here.
I should record what out here?
A video.
Oh.
Why? Because it's nature? You should really dye your hair. Like the ends, not, you don't have to dye the whole, all of your hair, but like the ends.
Your mom would not allow me to.
Why?
She said no.
You could get the good type of dye.
Thank you so much.
You can get the good type of dye that doesn't damage your hair. Tisha, you want to record? Lazy.
You're the director. You have to practice.
Director of what?
Of the show.
Alright. But the director gets a seat. They get to sit down and let the camera.
they don't.
Yes, they do. They sit behind the TV and the camera.
All of them.
That's true. Oh, I'm
Alright.
so.
Hot dog almost done, okay? Whoever is waiting for the hot dog. Alright, people, so yeah, that's currently what we're doing right now. I'm not gonna bore you guys to death watching me at the grill, like I'm always at the grill. So yeah, later. Bye. Should I say bye?
Bye. Bye.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.